Good morning and welcome back to another Vlogmas. It is the weekend when I am filming this, so still in my cozy pajamas, eating breakfast. I have whole wheat English muffin with peanut butter, sipping on my coffee. I just heated it up because it was getting cold on me. And we're just kind of having a Sunday morning. I think Santa Claus is coming into town by boat today, so we are gonna try to go catch him and see if we can go see him and wave to him. I don't know. I think he's coming into town in a couple of hours, so we will see if we can find him. Speaking of cozy and Sunday vibes, my pajamas. Okay, it's a set of pants and long sleeve pajama top. Holy cow, I highly recommend. They are by the brand Cozy Earth, and they're just the only pajamas that I reach for, and whenever they're dirty I want to wash them and wear them again. So cozy and not too hot, not too cold. I feel like they're the perfect sleeping pajama for anyone in your life. Would make an awesome Christmas gift as well. Anyway, so I will leave a link in the description box below where you guys can go ahead and check out Cozy Earth. They have a bunch of different products as well, so definitely go ahead and check them out. And if you are interested, I do have a code where you guys can get a discount. Perfect Christmas gift, and I love these and definitely want them in another color as well. I have the, you know, like dusty pink color. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my breakfast and eventually get myself ready. I'm gonna have like a nice relaxing, it's a Sunday morning. Yesterday we were at a friend's house for a birthday party all day long, and so we're just taking it slow this morning and having just a zen, I need extra sleep vibe. That's what's happening today. But it's cold and it's, I don't know, it's just a nice slow morning. It's nice to have those. Sydney was like, I don't know, we had been down here for like 45 minutes and she's like, wait, am I going to school today? I said no, thank goodness.
I jumped the head.
That's okay.
Let's get it.
See?
Can I do another arts and craft thing?
Of course.
I'm gonna do the caterpillar and I'll do the...
Right, Sydney, who are we going to see?
Yeah!
We're gonna go see if we can see Santa coming into town.
Are we gonna see Santa's reindeer too?
We'll see. I don't know.
I'm going to bring like a leopard and he's going to remember.
Yeah.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old unsigned? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet.
Yeah, they are.
Are they gonna see us?
Yes. You're gonna take a picture with them.
We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne, for old lang syne.
Wow, that's pretty awesome. Okay, that was amazing and not what I expected in like the best way possible. It was way better than I expected. I didn't know what they were doing, but they had free popcorn, they had like a hot chocolate and a bar for adults if you wanted things, or you know, soft drinks. Santa drove by a couple of times and then arrived by boat, Santa and Mrs. Claus. We got to take, you know, complimentary pictures with him and Mrs. Claus, and lots of yard games and a DJ with music. Oh my word, it was,
I didn't see the DJ.
The DJ, the person playing the music and face painting. It was just beyond magical. So we are now finally gonna go ahead and make that Christmas slime. We didn't have time to do it the other night with the tree lighting, and then yesterday we were at the party, and so we finally have time. So are you excited? I've never made slime. Sydney's never made slime, but the recipe that we found seems easy. And then of course Christmas confetti that I found. Yes, let's do this.
Good, let's go. There, look at me.
Okay, you ready, Freddie? So we're gonna pour, here, why don't you roll up your sleeves?
Oh!
You're gonna pour this entire thing of glue in the bowl.
What?
And you gotta squeeze it.
It's like water.
Alright, you can pour this glitter in the glue.
How can I mix?
Okay, and now we're gonna do the green glitter.
What? Tell me when I can mix.
Good job. Alright, we're all done mixing. Ready, Sydney?
How am I glue?
Okay, you're gonna pour this in there. 1 tablespoon of water. Now I gotta do a teaspoon.
I mixed.
Yeah.
Mix it up, cuz.
Teaspoon baking soda. One. I'll do one more, and you can stir it all. Okay, now stir it all with a fork.
Oh!
Is it becoming slime? Is it doing it? Do you want Mama to stir it so that it's all combined?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh!
Wow.
Okay, let me mix it all in. Okay. Wow, this is turning out so cool. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Okay, now knead it all together. It kind of reminds me of flubber. Oh my word! It is Christmas slime. What? Oh no! Oh, Sydney, help me. Get it off my hands.
I can't.
Oh, okay.
You have to be it. No,
It's stuck. Use at your own risk. Okay, I had no idea how easy making slime really was. Like, I know I've seen many people do it many times, but never tried it myself because I'm just afraid of messes. But actually, this is not that messy. It's sticky, but when it comes off, it doesn't leave like, it's just fine. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and store this in this little like mason jar that I got from Michael's, and Sydney can play with that until it no longer is, you know. Wow, you're really going in, huh?
Banana, yes, tattoo. Your statue that Albie's statue. It's blue. Stick yourself together. Be so glued together. Wait,
And earlier, so Sydney's little, don't mind the table, it is, we've been playing hard on this table. So Sydney made this little penguin from the kit. By the way, this slime, horrible, absolutely horrible. Do not get it, do not recommend. Do not pass go or collect $200. It is horrible. But anyway, Sydney made the penguin. She did her own version of it. And then she also made her own version of the snowman. Okay, the lighting is overhead, so it is what it is at this point. Because it's almost pitch black and it's 4:18. I got Sydney's Christmas dress in and so excited for this. I don't even think I need scissors. She is happily playing with that slime, and I have dishes to do. Like, when she goes to bed, it's Sunday night too, and it's a school night, and we need shower. Like, oh Lord. No, when I went to, I didn't film it, I don't think, but I did go to the Burlington Mall in Massachusetts with my mom and Sydney a few weeks ago, or a couple weeks ago, and I saw this dress in Nordstrom. I wanted it so bad for Sydney, like as a Christmas dress. It was kind of expensive, so I was like, no. And then I kept thinking about it, and it wasn't online at all. And I was like, great. So I went on Poshmark. I was looking everywhere for this dress because I just became fixated on it. You know how that goes.
Mama.
And then I finally, what, honey?
Oh,
you put it in the...
I don't want to play with this anymore. And can you close this?
She went ahead and put the slime in the container.
Good. I don't even have to wash my hands. Look, it's not that bad. What?
Not that bad. Yeah. Anyway, so I became fixated on it. I searched everywhere. It finally popped up online at Nordstrom. I didn't realize it was just a brand new dress. And so I had to have it. I know it's expensive, but I had to have it. So, and hopefully it fits her. And hopefully I got the right size. Gosh, it's just so beautiful. So, I will go ahead and link it down below if you guys, uh-oh, there goes all the glitter. Oh my word, it is just so stunning. It's that velvet material on the top, like burgundy velvet material. And then I do have to kind of like...
I'm Daddy gonna wear that tomorrow.
This is going to be special for your breakfast with Santa and for Christmas Day. Is that okay? And it has like green, red, gold, just all kinds of different colored sparkles with tulle.
Hey,
a little
sparkles
tie
like our elf.
Sparkles like Sparkle the Elves. Anyway, yeah, that's going to be a perfect size for her. I love it. I just absolutely love it. I did go ahead and get myself some sparkly pants. They're trending right now. Like, that's like, people are for the holiday, and so I'm doing it. And so I told you I was going all out this holiday season, and I can't help it. I'm gonna go ahead and hang this so that the wrinkles kind of come undone. I'm not sure if I can steam. I don't know, but I will hang it up so that the wrinkles kind of. I have totally forgot to show you what Sparkles did. So Sparkles replaced our toilet paper roll with wrapping paper, and yesterday Sparkles was ziplining. Or no, not yesterday. Yesterday, Sparkles was in the bubble bath, and the day before that, she was ziplining. So she's been very active.